Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is the divine light. You are the final conclusion. You are the answer to your way out. When you're looking for a way, you're looking for your blessings, you hold the answers. You're shining so bright where everyone's looking at you. Where you're saying, wow, that's the finished version. They know where they're going. Let us follow you. The divine light is like the lighthouse. It's like the torch that's walking out of the wilderness, says, bringing everyone to safety. I'm the expression of love, and I shine like the sun for everyone to enjoy. My inner light and my strength are my treasure and my gifts. My intuition guides me to discover the wonder and goodness of who I am. Do you understand how powerful you are? Do you understand all the hard work is actually paying off because you're glowing? Continue to shine, baby, shine, and continue to be great today because you reached a new level. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.